Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Sparkling Fresh B, and today I'm gonna do a short dance tutorial, a beku dance. We call it beku dance. But before that, you should know that dancing, such dance steps like leg walks, pogo dance, and all of that requires energy. So you have to keep practicing it all over and over again till you become good at it. So let's go. First of all, you have to place your leg at a little bit far distance apart like this. I didn't say you should bend your leg like this because it won't allow you to do what you're doing. Just something like this. And again, I'm starting off with my left leg because I'm left-handed. I'm sorry about that. You might decide to start off with your right leg. So but in this Beku dance, the left leg and the right leg will be doing a same function, will be performing a function at the same time. So while starting, you have to place your leg in this motion for the first time, just something like this, like this. Then while this leg is going this way, then this one will be coming inside because remember your leg is in this form, so it will be shifting in while this one is going like this. So it will be like you have to jump a bit like this. So once you jump, doing like this, you then have to jump back. I mean this, and then you jump back. This, you jump back. This, you jump back. This, you jump back. Just you keep on doing it like that. And when you're done jumping back, you have to do same to your right leg, like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's try out with a beat.
Fuck that shit, like that shit. Fuck that shit, me, I like that shit. How many boys don't die for the street? How many boys don't blow for the street?
Thanks, Sparkling Gang, for watching my videos. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to turn on the notification button and tell your friend to 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 like and share my videos. I would like to see your reactions and see you in my next video. Bye.